Good morning. Just a quick walk around of that real Lite 1806 truck camper that you guys looked at. Just wanted to send you a quick thank you for stopping in and remind you about the 1806 real Lite truck camper here at Medicine Hat. Here we go. There's your 1806, all your weight information, the doorway going in. Just a reminder about that fridge that opens up multiple directions. The wet bath in here with sink. Dual sleeping areas, stovetop, oven, microwave, sink, air conditioning in here, sound system, queen size bed, lots of storage in here. Again, there's the fridge opening from the inside of the trailer. Thanks again for coming in. This is the 1806 Real Lite truck camper.